Hello learners, this is Arun Kumar and your English partner and welcome back to my YouTube channel It's for Study. You know, today I'm really excited because this is our day one of 13 days English speaking challenge and we continuing in this 13 days English speaking challenge. So it's a day one of our 13 days English speaking challenge. You know, a lot of search in which topic we should discuss in day one. So I find it we should discuss in day one of basic class. That means today I will share how to introduce yourself like a confident English speaker. How can you give your intro with confidently and like an English speaker? So let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Anand Kumar. It's a normal. It's a really normal. But if you say in a smart way, if you want to give your intro in a smart way, you can say, first of all, my name is Anand Kumar. I'm from Aurangabad. I want to speak English and inspire others. And when I speak English, I feel more confident and powerful. And when I free time, so I like to listening songs and speaking English. And I watch English movies. I like watching English movies and play football, play cricket. What's your favorite sports? And what are you doing in your free time? So you can say confidently. And you should know importance of intro. You know, if you go in any English interviews and if you speak, if you can give your intro in interview, so your intro is basic and normal, so no one's impressed you. But if you speak your intro, if you give your intro with confidently, so everyone impressed and you will select. Why? Because in fact it's a big impression and you should know importance of intro in interviews. So friends, you should understand this video and I hope in this video really helpful for you. If you're new learning my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel if first today. Take care, bye, love you and see you soon in day 2.